The recent ban on X, formerly Twitter, in Pakistan has been justified by the government on the grounds of national security. The Federal Minister for Information Broadcasting, Ata Tahir, has clarified that the decision was not aimed at curbing freedom of expression, but it was necessitated by misuse of the platform by separatists and the terrorists. Key security concern terrorist activities. The platform was reported be used by the terrorist groups such as Balochistan Liberation Army to promote anti-state activities and even broadcast terrorist live activities. Spread of misinformation. There was concerns about spread of misinformation and propaganda that could destabilize the country and initiate violence. Lack of compliance. The government highlighted issue related to the related platforms compliance with the local laws, particularly in removing content that deemed to be harmful to national security. Legal perspective. Constitutional rights versus national security. The ban raises significant legal questions about the balance between protecting national security and upholding constitutional rights such as freedom of speech and expression. Article 19 of the Constitution of the Pakistan guarantees the freedom of the speech, but it allows for responsible restriction in the interest of security of the state, public order and national stability. Judicial oversight. The matter is currently sub judice, meaning it is under judicial consideration. The courts will need to assess with whether the ban is appropriate response to the security threats, whether it is aligned with the constitution provision. In conclusion, the ban on X in Pakistan underscores the complex interplay between national security and the constitutional rights. While the government argued that the ban is necessary to curb terrorist activities and misinformation, it also raises important questions about the freedom of expression and compliance with the local laws. As the court continued to review the decision, it remained a pivotal issue for the Pakistani legal and political landscape. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and stay tuned with me for more legal analysis.